everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, nice to meet you. Subscribe. Do my clips look okay? Today is going to be a really fun video because I am going to be doing my first fall style haul, my first of the season. I'm going to do so many fall videos and I'm actually really excited for today's because I got really good pieces. All of today's pieces that I will be showing you guys is from Fashion Nova. They have really great stuff right now for fall, so if you guys want to shop, I will link everything down below like always, and you guys can go shop for fall because I'm getting in such the fall mood. Like, I'm ready. I want to decorate my apartment for fall. I want to just make it feel like fall vibes because before we know it's gonna be winter vibes, and I love winter, but we gotta embrace the fall while we can. Without further ado, let's get started. So how this video is gonna work today is I'm just gonna show you guys all the pieces, obviously, and then I will show you a little try on of how I would style it, just to give you guys a few ideas how to style these pieces. They all can be styled so many different ways. That's why I really like the pieces I picked, because they're super versatile. If you haven't already, make sure to follow all my socials at emilyalexaander, and they will all be linked down below if you missed it. So I'm gonna start off with this item, which isn't really fall related, but it is fall related, depending on how you style it. You guys know I love little white sweaters and little pink flowers. I'm obsessed with this. I already wore this on my Instagram, obvious. Though I just can't wait to style it for fall. Like, you could style this with jeans to make it more fall vibes, or leather pants, and it's a part of their vintage line. So moving on, I got a lot of fall colored tops. So into the browns, the beiges. The first top I got is this little wrap top. It's kind of hard to tell, you guys will see it on the try on, but it's a little wrap top. I love little wrap tops because you can tie them in so many different ways. I got this in a size small. I see this with just some denim, to be honest, like some ripped jeans, some white sneakers, maybe like a little crossbody tan bag. I actually have it, I'll show you guys in the try on. I just think this color is so perfect for fall. Like, you throw this on with anything and you just look like you're ready for the season. Okay, we have this little number. I love this one. I love the detail on the front, so it's not just like an ordinary long sleeve. It has like this little ties in the front, do you know what I mean? And then it's a v-neck, super flattering, such a good color for fall. This is like that mocha color. I got this in a size extra small because I want it to be very form-fitting. I just think these super tight would be really good. I see this with like some black trousers to like dress it up a bit, and maybe like some sneakers, or you can do booties. So yeah, I really love this top. I just love long sleeves and I love this color. I feel like it looks good on everyone, so. Okay, moving on to the next long sleeve top I got. Guys, you can't, I have like no long sleeves and these are perfect. So this is actually a bodysuit. So, see, it's a bodysuit. This is like automatically gives you like the tuck in vibe, the tight vibe. I see this with a pair of leather pants, like go off leather shorts even, like just some leather would be so good with this bodysuit. Some high-waisted, also some trousers, some black trousers, and like a black blazer over this would be so cute. I wrote down all of these outfits that I wanted to make with these, and I didn't even think about the black blazer, but I think a black blazer and a beige turtleneck is just such the fall vibe. Feels so soft. Guys, all of these tops feel so soft, and like I feel like they're not gonna be too hot, so if you live somewhere that's a little warmer in the fall like me, I feel like you'll be chilling because it's not super thick. Then you can layer it, obviously, which is the best part. Okay, promise, this is the last top that's similar. Okay, this is this little ruche top, guys. The material is just heaven. It feels like butter. Like, it's so soft. This is another beige top. This also has the ruche, but it's like a little different than the mocha top. So do you see how it kind of gives you that hourglass figure, which I really like? And it's not a v-neck, so if you guys don't like v-necks, or you can get this one instead, which is like a higher neck. I see this with just a really baggy pair of ripped jeans, because tight tops I love to pair with really oversized ripped jeans. And also, I see this with like a headscarf or one of those like cabbie hats. I don't have mine with me here, but just imagine that when I'm showing you guys the try on. And also like some brown sunglasses. Model off-duty vibe with the really baggy ripped jeans and the headscarf. I just think this is so cute, and it's the softest thing ever. I got this in a size extra small. So this one's actually pretty interesting. So one of the big trends right now is, it's kind of hard to see with me holding it up, but it's these little like half shirts. So it's like a long sleeve, but it just goes around. Okay, you're gonna have to see in the try on. Whatever you want, but this one actually comes as a set. So it comes with this blue tank top, and then you put this wrapped around your arms. I see this with a pair of white denim actually, because I feel like this is very icy, but also this is really good transition because doesn't have to be too cold to wear this. So I really like this. I think the style is so cool, and I've never owned anything like this. I got this in a size small. Okay, and the last fall piece that I have, this sweater. So this sweater is just one of those traditional turtleneck sweaters, and it has stripes. I got this in a size large because listen to my vision, guys. I see this with denim shorts underneath, like a little pair of denim shorts, or you could do like leather shorts. That would be really cute. You can't really even see the shorts, but it's there to like protect you in case like you lift up your arms and no one has to see your undies. Then some like boots, some like little booties, some black booties, or some tall boots. I really want some tall boots this season. I love little slouchy turtlenecks in fall. I think it's such the vibe. I say, like, can we get a number count? Like, comment down below how many times I said vibe, because I say it a lot. Okay, and last but not least, what I'm wearing. Okay, you guys can't really see because it's just my upper half, but I'll show you in the try on. This is my little lounge set from Fashion Nova. I'm obsessed with this. It's this like lilac purple. I've been so into lilac lately. I kind of always get into lilac at like the end of summer. I don't know why. Like I hop on it late. I don't know what's wrong with me. But I feel like this is such a muted lilac that it kind of gives me fall vibes, especially because it's a sweatsuit. Like, you already know I'm wearing sweatsuits all cold season long. Like, I've been saving my sweatsuits from the beginning of quarantine to wear. Like, I'm so excited to wear a sweatsuit, and this is the perfect sweatsuit because it's not too heavy. So like right now it's still hot and like sometimes it's cold, so it's not too heavy. You could unzip it, and I love a high-waisted sweatpants. That's all the stuff I have for my fashion style haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely will make more fashion videos. So follow my Instagram because I've worn a lot of Fashion Nova's pieces on my Instagram. So go check it out to see kind of like how I style other pieces. And if you guys want to see more fashion related videos, give us a thumbs up and comment down below what videos you want to see. Thank you Fashion Nova for sponsoring this video and styling me for fall. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.